Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the rig command that randomly generates name, address, and phone number listings, useful when you're testing an application and need hundreds or thousands of addresses to make sure that it works correctly. To generate a single identity, all you have to type is rig, and you get a name and address like that. And notice if I do it another time or another time, I get different names and addresses because this is generated randomly. Notice also that the phone numbers have area codes, but then just X's in place of real phone numbers. Now, to create a file with many listings, all you have to do is type rig, followed by a C, and then the number of records that you want to create. In this case, I'm going to add this data to a file called test addresses. And notice how quickly the file was populated with all of those addresses. And if I just take a look at how many lines, there's 4,999 lines because we didn't need a blank line at the end. Now, the rig command uses files in the user share rig directory, which is here. And if you look at that, you'll see that I need an E. And then you see that we have these files in there. This means that we have 1,000 female names, 1,000 male names, 1,000 last names, and about 60 each of location and street information, and that's used to generate the random data. Well, that is your Linux tip for the rig command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.